Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by just simply sliding to the left, and here we have access to other modes of this camera and also to this button in the left corner. By tapping on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the general settings. At the first place here we have the grid option, so by using this button we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines like that. This is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera. And it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a picture and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course, to turn this off, we go back to these settings from the left and to the settings in the left corner. Tap on this button with the grid once again, and for now this option is turned off and the grid lines have gone. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.